Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit push notifications from Twitter. So the first thing we have to do, of course, is open up our Twitter and go to our notification page, which is on the bottom right here, right next to our messages. So let's just click it. Then let's head into the settings from here. And next, what you want to do is click preferences. Here you have on red notification count badge, push notifications, SMS notifications, and email notifications. We need push notifications, as we said. And from here, you can either turn them on or off as a whole, or you can just pretty much tailor them to how you like. To photo tags, you can move and remove them. Moments, new followers, contact joins, direct messages, topics, spaces, etc. 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 So I want to remove definitely for article paints. First look at the news is good. Spaces, popular in your network, I don't need that, to be honest. Direct messaging is good. Don't care about contacts. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna leave mine and you edit yours depending on your flavors as well. So hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.